clear was it wasn't a Republican campaign and it wasn't a socialist campaign. It was a campaign for civil rights, for equality of citizenship with the rest of the UK.
The race march will continue indefinitely until we achieve for all citizens in Northern Ireland the same rights and privileges which are enjoyed. If it is good enough for Doncaster, it is good enough for Derry. And he hit me on the head with the baton. I then was in the process of falling to the ground. He rushed over again to make doubly sure and he hit me a second time with the baton.